For the first time, Governor Newsom is laying out a timeline of when all Californians over 16 could become eligible for a COVID-19 vaccine. It would effectively do away with the tier system. But as KPIX5's Katie Nielsen explains, the biggest hurdle is still the number of available doses. Katie?
Liz, this was the first week an estimated 4 to 6 million Californians were eligible for a vaccine who had underlying health conditions. Already, there were supply issues. Santa Clara County announced they're having to reschedule more than 8,000 second dose appointments at mass vaccine sites like this one at Levi Stadium simply because they don't have the vaccine.
Everywhere in this state, people are demanding more vaccines, and our only constraint is manufactured supply.
At a press conference earlier today, Governor Gavin Newsom said he expects within the next 5.5 weeks there will be enough vaccine supply to open eligibility to any resident over the age of 16 who wants a shot, which is an additional 32 million people statewide. But some local leaders question whether California's vaccine supply will actually be able to keep up with that type of demand.
We've told people that if you're of a certain age or you have a certain job, we are going to have vaccines available for you. And we don't.
Santa Clara Board of Supervisors President Cindy Chavez says the county is continuing to struggle with supply issues and effectively doing away with the current tier system based on age, occupation, and underlying risk factors would open eligibility to a total of 1.6 million Santa Clara County residents.
We have the capacity today, just the county, not with our medical partners. We can vaccinate 30,000 people a day. We just need those vaccines.
Governor Newsom said today the supply should be able to keep up with demand to reach the goal of open eligibility in 5.5 weeks, mirroring President Biden's goal of allowing all Americans to get a shot by May 1st, and using the Defense Production Act to speed up manufacturing of the single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
Supply will exponentially increase, and so in a few weeks, these issues will substantively be addressed.
Representatives with California's Department of Public Health said they could not elaborate any further on the plans outlined by the governor today. Live in Santa Clara, Katie Nielsen, KPIX5.
All right, Katie, thank you.
Governor Newsom also saying today that green will be added to the state's tier system, and some counties could move into that least restrictive tier sooner than we think. This is where the Bay Area stands right now. All of it is red except for San Mateo County. They are ahead in the orange tier. Some other Bay Area counties are expected to turn orange as early as next week.